Hi, this is Adam Keane at Purple Valley, and today we're going to see if we can do Karandavasana with our faithful model, Chris, the manager of Purple Valley now. So I know everyone wants to do this posture. I also struggled for many years with this posture in Mysore, and so having been able to do it in the end, not naturally, it took me many years to do this in fact, I might give you a few cues in order to help you get into it. Now, the main cue, you think it's the strength in your arms, but it's really your hips, right? Your hips are everything, and how you enter the posture dictates how you will get out of it. So what we're trying to do is come up, of course, aren't we? We're trying to get down, but we're really wanting to trying to get up again. So how you get down and the quality of your entrance will dictate the quality of that lift on the entry and the exit, okay? So let's make a crack on. So the first thing is the hands. Roughly speaking, you want between the index finger and the middle finger forward. You can even turn the hands out slightly, that's possible, yeah? But what you want is the elbows inside the wrists, right? If you start with the hands inside like that, so the elbows are wider than the wrist, you're not going to come up. So really make sure that the hands are tracking along the line of the elbows, say, yeah? And you're squeezing the elbows apart as if you've got a belt around the elbows, right? You really squeeze, and then you're able to use the side body muscles against the middle body muscles. That's the key, right? To use your sides against your middle. Pick a spot on the floor and look to it. That helps. He's going to jump up. And now we're going to cue the entry because, as I said, the entry is the thing. The entry is the thing. So placing the legs in lotus, obviously easier said than done. Tighten your lotus and pull your heels as close to your stomach as you can. Now, I would suggest try this. Pull the knees slightly over the head because what you want is to imagine there's a bar here and you're going to curl over the bar. So the hips are really kept straight over the shoulders. You're only coming down with the knees, but nothing changes at the hips. So the curl is everything. Curling in, and the best cue I ever heard was pull your heels into your stomach and keep pulling in. When you can land your knees high up on the elbows, really high, then you can come up again. If you let the bum sink down, you're not coming up. Yep. Looking up, and then inhale. You're coming up again. Yep, good. And he's coming back. A little kick in the head. But the point being is, the entry is everything. When you've set the entry up and you go down, then the exit of it is almost in the bag. And the exit is an inhale, push up, and again, that squeezing of the elbows apart, and then you can pivot from your chest as you squeeze the elbows apart. But really focus on and slowing down the entry, and then I think you'll get the exit. Well, there's a few tips, and well done. Good work.